I have realized something. Life is really just a collection of tiny annoyances, either added or removed. And some of the simplest, cheapest purchases can remove those annoyances every single day. Today, I'm sharing 12 inexpensive things that have genuinely improved my life. One of them costs less than $10 and I use it almost every day. Another one has saved me money over and over again. And one of them is something I bought decades ago that I still use today. Hi, I'm Carrie, and this is Retired by Accident. Let's dive right into the 12 simple things that make everyday life just a little bit better. Number one, let's start in the kitchen because that's where a lot of my daily frustrations used to live. Magnetic measuring spoons. If you have never used these, you don't know what you're missing. Regular measuring spoons get shoved in a drawer, and you spend 30 seconds every time digging through a tangle of metal trying to find that half teaspoon. Magnetic ones snap together in a neat little stack. They stay organized. They even hang on your fridge if you want. It is such a small thing, but it removes one tiny daily annoyance. And honestly, this one is a really simple remove. Number two, next up is blackout curtains. Now, I live around 46 degrees latitude, not that far from the Canadian border, which means my summer daylight situation is a little ridiculous. The sun can come up before 5 a.m. and it is still bright out at 10 o'clock at night. Without blackout curtains, I would be seriously sleep deprived in June and July. I am one of those who, if I wake up like to use the bathroom and there's any light outside, there is no way that I'm getting back to sleep. That is just how my body works. So I need these things. Those curtains block the light completely so that I can get my 7 to 7.5 hours of sleep, even when the sun comes up at 4:30 in the morning. They also bring the added bonus of providing a little bit of insulation. So they do keep the bedroom cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. So you're not just buying better sleep, you're cutting down on heating and cooling costs too. If you live anywhere near this latitude, or honestly anywhere with long summer days, this is not a luxury. This is a basic quality of life upgrade. All right, number three is my heated slippers. And I will be honest, this one felt like a splurge when I got them. Now I consider them absolutely essential. Let me just say it plainly, my feet are cold, even in the summer. In fact, they are so cold that the fastest way to get my husband to threaten divorce is to have my feet wander over to his legs when we're in bed at night. Not really, but man, you want to see a man jump and scream? And if you add in cold floors in the winter, and then the mornings can be just miserable. These slippers have USB charged batteries. They warm up, and your feet are just immensely happy the second you put them on. It is a small comfort, but small comforts add up when you're stacking them together every day. Number four is resistance bands. These are maybe the best fitness dollar that you can spend. No gym membership needed, no bulky equipment taking up space in a spare room, just a set of bands that I can hang in the closet, roll up into a bag, and take them anywhere. You can do a real full body workout with these things. You know, strength training matters more as we get older, not less. And resistance bands make it possible to keep at it without leaving the house and without spending much money. Preventing muscle loss as we age is the key to avoiding frailty in our elder years. These are inexpensive and an easy way to do just that. All right, number five is one you probably haven't thought of, a hiking stick. If you've ever done any real hiking, you know that uphill is hard on your cardiovascular system, but the downhill is what wrecks your knees. And where I live, there is no such thing as flat. A decent hiking stick takes a real amount of pressure off your joints on those descents. It is not about looking fancy on the trail. It is about still being able to hike in 10 years because you protected your knees today. And if you're starting to get to where your family tells you you need a little more stability when you're out and about, carrying a hiking stick instead is often able to get the job done without looking like, well, looking like you need a cane. Your doctor might or might not agree with me on this one. All right, number six. Next up is microfiber cleaning cloths. These are simple and cheap, and honestly, one of the most underrated items on this whole list. They pick up dust, they don't leave streaks on glass or mirrors, and you can just wash them and reuse them hundreds of times instead of going through roll after roll of paper towels. It's better at cleaning, it's less waste, and the cost per use is close to nothing, as long as you actually use them. Right. Number seven, reading glasses. If you are over 40, you know exactly what I mean, or you are soon to find out. Your arms can only get so long, if you know what I mean. A cheap pair of reading glasses like this from Walmart or a drugstore solves a problem that used to make me squint and hold things at arm's length like I was doing some kind of ritual. I keep a pair on my head at all times. It's basically doing dual duty as a hair accessory for me too. Keep a pair in your car, a pair in your purse, a pair in your favorite chair. Problem solved for just a few dollars each. All right, number eight is a portable jump starter. This one has saved me more than once. I used to leave for work before sunrise, drive to the office with my lights on, only to arrive and park after the sun was up. And I would forget my lights were on. And more than a few times, I walked out to the car at the end of a long and stressful day to find my battery dead. And then I had to go back a coworker, and hopefully I wasn't the last one to leave to come and give me a jump. Finally, I just got myself a portable jump starter. After that, I no longer needed to flag someone down or wait for roadside assistance. I just hook it up myself and I'm on my way in a couple minutes. And no more embarrassment of needing help to get my car started ever again. All right, number nine, a sun hat. This is such a simple swap, but it means I'm not slathering on sunscreen every single time I step outside for an errand or a walk. A wide brim hat blocks the sun, protects your skin, and you don't have to think about the chemicals in most sunscreens. For most trips outside, it's really all you need. All right, number 10, a deck of cards. This might be the cheapest item on the entire list, and it might be the one that brings the most joy. Cribbage and Pinochle are the favorites in our house, and a deck of cards costs next to nothing and provides hours of entertainment. You don't need batteries, there's no subscriptions and no screens, just you, the people you care about, and some competition. That's free entertainment that never goes out of style. All right, number 11 is an insulated travel cup. I make my coffee at home and I take it with me, and that one habit alone saves me real money over the course of a year. Instead of stopping for a $5 or more coffee on the way somewhere, I've already got a hot cup sitting in my car ready to go. It's small, but multiply that by every trip you take, and it adds up to real savings. All right, number 12, last but not least, is a wheat bag. This is a simple fabric bag filled with wheat that you can either freeze for a cold pack or heat in the microwave for a hot pad. It molds to your body better than a regular ice pack or a heating pad, and it is reusable for years. I have had mine for decades, actually. Sore shoulder, achy back, even my cold feet in bed. This one covers all of it. So there you have it, 12 inexpensive things that have truly made my everyday life better. And I think that's the interesting thing about these kinds of purchases. They aren't the things you get excited about buying. They're not the things that you show off or tell people about, but then you use them over and over and over again. And eventually you wonder how you ever lived without them. Life doesn't always get better because of the big changes. Sometimes it's just a collection of small improvements that make your days easier, more comfortable, and a little more enjoyable. Then I would love to know, what's one inexpensive thing that you've bought that made a surprisingly big difference in your life? Share it in the comments because I'm always looking for new ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Retired by Accident. I share practical ways to save money, simplify life, and make the most of what we have. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.